Good morning. Breakfast today is quiche. The doctor I work with, him and his wife are keto, and she makes quiche for breakfast. And this one has sausage and broccoli in it. So I don't really know how I'll plug it into my the chronometer, but that's what I'm having for breakfast. There's the inside of it. There's sausage and where did I see that piece of broccoli? And broccoli, she uses eggs and cream and cheese. So that's how my quiche is made. I should say that's how her quiche is made, but it's delicious. Lunch today is 7 ounces of pork loin and 2 servings of this vegetables that I have. It's that Normandy blend. I've got some seasoning here. I don't remember what this was. It was something I was using for a while, so I'm going to put that on the vegetables. Like I said, I couldn't even tell you what it is. And I know the pork loin, I think I seasoned it. But I don't remember I can't remember. Anyway, this will all be in there. Then some everything bagel seasoning. Let's put it on there too, just 'cause. And then some salt. So that is my lunch today. Hello, so supper tonight is 7 ounces of steak and 3 servings of the Normandy blend. I've already microwaved it. So we're gonna add we'll add some garlic and herb seasoning to the veggie side. And a little bit of Greek seasoning. That's some good stuff, Maynard. I'm going to put a little bit of Slap Your Mama on there. Because you know. And I'm going to put a little bit of sesame seeds. Because, I got issues. So, that is my supper tonight. 7 ounces of ground beef. 3 servings of the Normandy blend veggies. And that's what I'm having. Enjoy your evening. I found a quiche with meat and I plugged it in. I think it has more carbs than I had, but that's all right. I don't care. It was delicious.